A wonderful summer's evening on the Rhine becomes even nicer with a barbecue. And this is also true at the International Thermprocess Summit ITPS, especially since warmth is the topic on the terrace of the Düsseldorf Exhibition Center, at least indirectly. 142 participants from 16 countries, such as Brazil, China, India and the United States, didn't hesitate to travel the distance in order to be able to visit the Congress for the Industry for Thermal Treatment. Aiming to shorten the wait between the two large thermprocess trade fairs, this first-time event reaches international standards.
As you know, the highlight for our industry is the fair thermprocess, which is happening every 4 years. And the ITPS Summit is the first time now, the symposium in between. So I believe it will be gaining the same importance as the thermprocess fair itself.
I think finally the meeting is naturally of interest, and that was the idea, that we have contact between important people in the industry.
The atmosphere is very collegial and friendly.
It is always an international platform here, and people all over the world come here to meet.
The Summit of Thermal Process Technology, put on by the Messe Düsseldorf, organized by the Vulkan-Verlag, by Heat Processing, the professional journal for the sector published by the Vulkan-Verlag, the VDMA Trade Association Thermal Process Technology and the European Association for the Thermal Process CECOF. The topics of global nature. So it was not just about innovative technologies, but also about energy efficiency and new energy methods in the US, future business models for the thermal process industry or large emerging markets in Asia. The lectures, discussions and presentations by exhibitors always inextricably link industry, research and politics at this trade summit.
Actually, for me it's important that we as industry building furnaces are getting in contact with our customers.
I just until now found out that the talks are very open, independently if the guys are coming from the competition or from industry, from customers or from the political side.
The direct contact to the customers, but also to the competitors, it's very important, because in personal talks it's much better to get more information than from papers or what from the internet or so on.
We expect contact with final users and contact with some producers of equipment which we install on our furnaces.
I think Thermprocess Summit will provide a platform where we could come up with these innovations, solutions to the long-term problems that the industry is going to face to reduce the impact of CO2.
The energy efficiency issue in Europe, the gas surplus of Americans, as well as the market expanding to China. Specializing while everybody still wants to be able to compete. The ITPS offered exciting and forward-thinking solutions for strategic issues and challenges. At the dinner in the evening, Trade Fair Managing Director Joachim Schäfer suspected that this claim may soon perhaps attract more participants. However, at the next summit it really doesn't have to be this hot.